Hi, John Amico members. It's Johnny Amico, and I'm continuing this series on how to use your John Amico Star technology. This is the next part in the series, and this is your John Amico Show and Sell video app. Now, again, Star, you should all know it by now, right? We keep hearing it. John Amico Star. I want to be a JA Star. What is that? Stylist Technologies, amazing results. So the next part is the John Amico Show and Sell video app, and let's go ahead and get started. The John Amico Show and Sell video app is a personalized video that comes from you and goes to your clients. They actually receive it on their phone. They can receive it via email or social media. So there's a variety of ways that you can do this, and you become the star. I mean, we know that the most credible sources of videos come from you when you send it to a client. Your client already trusts and knows you. So when they see a video that comes from you, when they watch it, they say, oh, that's exactly what I'm looking for. And especially if you send a personalized video just for them. So let's talk about how the app works, why it works, how to download it, and then go ahead and actually do a show and sell app. And so I think you'll really enjoy it. So the first thing is that this app resides on your phone, whereas the mobile app resides on the client's phone. Think of the mobile app, the JA Client Connect mobile app. That's your electronic business card. That goes on the client's phone. This is your app. This resides on your phone. So this is only for you. It doesn't go on the client's phone, although you do share a video and it goes to their phone or their technology, you know, that they might be using like their email or something. But really, the app resides on your phone. So it's just for you. And it gives you the ability, again, to send personalized videos to your clients or social media. Clients can purchase your recommended product directly from your video message, which is important. So after they get done watching your message, there's a buy button. When they click on the buy button, they can go ahead and purchase the product that you were just discussing or talking about. It's quick and easy for you to send specialized product recommendations, and you also can establish basically an unlimited library of these different personalized videos. So this is what it looks like when you do a video. This is you on the right-hand side. This is showing a particular stylist, and they do a video, and then they can click on the buy button, and then you promote whatever product you actually hand select which product you would like to promote. Or on the left-hand side, you can select from one of our library videos. Now, we don't have that many up there right now, but you'll be able to preview those and you can take a look if there is one for it. And we are continually adding to the library of videos for the company. But it is fair to say the best way to get sales is through your personalized video. So you definitely want to do personal videos. I find that that is the #1 way in which to really promote the JA Show and Sell app. So let's go ahead and give it a try. What I want you to do is I want you to search, first off, depending on what you're using. If you're using a Google or Android phone, I want you to go to the Google Play Store. And if you're using an Apple phone, then you want to go to the App Store. So let me share my phone with you. And then what we can do is we can see exactly how this works. So let me do that. And then you can see how I install it on my phone. And as a matter of fact, you can just pause this and walk along with me so you can do it on your phone as well. That's how quick and easy it is to do. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is click on my App Store. So when I go to my App Store, I'm going to go ahead and do down here in the corner says search. Now, for the Play Store, it might be different, but you basically want to search, and you want to search for Impact Video. Impact Video. And when I do that, it's basically 2 words. I hit search and it comes up. And right here, you'll notice there's one with this red background, this white play button with a shopping cart that's on wheels. So I'm going to go ahead and download this to my phone. And here it comes. So it's downloading. And it usually takes, I don't know, maybe definitely under a minute, but I suppose it depends on your connection. I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. It will then install on my phone. It says it would like to send me notifications. Yes, I want to receive those notifications because I want to make sure that I know who's watching videos and purchasing, and it comes to me. And I think that's important. So you will get notifications. So you do want to allow that. Next, you want to put in the word John Amico. It's all got to be one word. You'll notice there's no spaces. And when I go ahead and I click on this, it does say, is this the company you are looking for? And surely it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on yes. That's the right one. There it is, John Amico. It's now going to install the app, and you'll see that black bar going across so you know that it's installing. Once it's done, it will come up and it will say welcome and get started. So if you look down at the bottom, this gray bar, get started, that's what I'm going to hit right now because that's what I want to do. And now it says register. I'm going to go ahead and click on the register button. And here I register for the app. It's really simple. What I do first is I put in the name John Amico. So you're going to put in your first and last name. Well, I guess my real first name, let's put Johnny, because that's what I go by. All right, there we go. Johnny Amico. Okay, then I'm going to put my email address, which is john.amico jr., and that's going to be at johnamico.com. Really simple. I'm next going to go to my phone number and put that in. So real good because I want to make sure I get notifications. Next thing is, it says right here, site name. And you'll notice in bold at the end of this is johnamico.com/Jane Smith. You only want to put in this part. You only want to put in the nickname. Don't put in this whole thing, just the nickname. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my nickname. In this case, it's home office. There will not be any spaces in your nickname. And you'll notice they spelled it wrong there, home office. There we go. And then you want to hit this green verify button. When I hit the green verify button, it's going to go out to the John Amico website and validate that I put in the correct web address or nickname. I did because it says home office, but also there's pictures here. If it said error 404, then I know I made a mistake. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the close site up at the top. I'm going to make a mistake here purposely and show you what a mistake looks like. I'm going to hit verify. I misspelled home office and just put home office, and you'll see it says 404. If I get this 404, I didn't put it in correctly. Do it over again until you see the actual pictures. There I did. I put in office. Now it'll go out. It'll show me pictures. Let's take a look. And it also has my name. So if you see 404, no good, redo it. And again, if you're not sure what your what your nickname is, refer to the other part in the series so you know what your nickname is. All right, once it's verified, I have to register it. To register it, I've just got to scroll up a little bit and there's a register button. Make sure you click on that because if you just skip, then it won't be registered and you'll have to start all over again. So now I'm registered. It says get started and I can go ahead and get started. And so it's really easy to get started. What I can do is I can choose a product here. And so as I scroll through there, look at all of these products that are on the John Amico Show and Sell web app. I can select any of these. And so I'm going to pick the top one right underneath the discovery kits, which is the 25-hour super strong hairspray. And here it says to share a company video or record video and share. I want to record a video and share. That's the purpose of this app, personalized recordings for your clients. So I'm going to go ahead and click on record video and share. I'm going to say, okay, it wants to use my camera, wants to use my microphone, that's fine. And here I am, hello. And so it shows me, it shows my green screen behind me. And you'll notice there's two other buttons down here. One of them flips the phone around to the other side, and the other one is the record button, and the other one is close up here at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the record button, and it's going to record in 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to say, hi, this is Johnny, your stylist, and this is the great product that I recommend because Susan, I know your hair really needs volume, and when I apply this to your hair, you really get volume. Here, let's take a look on my hair. Let's look on the mannequin or however you want to show it. And you go ahead and you do that. And once you're done, you just hit the stop button. And now what I can do is either re-record with this one, I can close it out or share it. I'm going to go ahead and say, you know what, that one was just perfect, and it'll flip to the next screen. And so now it says, what's this campaign name? Well, I can choose any campaign for this, but I'm going to go ahead and put the word 25-hour video. So there it is. And then subject says, I thought of you. That's good. Or Susan, I thought of you. Or you can personalize it if you're sending it to one person. And then the message says, you're going to love this. And I'm going to say, hey, gives your hair volume, or will hold your hair 25 hours a day. Gives hair, let's see, tremendous hold all day long, or something like that. So you decide what you want to do, but something like that would be fine. When you're done with that, what you do is you scroll up and it says save video. And so now what it's doing is it's saving the video to your library. And again, you can have an unlimited amount. You might have 5 videos, you might have 50 videos, whatever you'd like. So this is what it looks like. It's all set to go. I can go ahead and hit on the share button. I'm going to text it to my wife. She loves getting these emails from me. Boom. I just now sent that to her, and she's going to receive a a message that says, I thought of you, and this is the product that you need to use. Now, let's go ahead and take a look and see what it looks like. So if I go, I'm going to go back to my messaging. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and there it is. It says, I thought of you down over here, and give some information. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It gives here tremendous hold all day long, and then it says, I thought of you. So when I click on that product, this is what it looks like for your clients or for whomever you share this with. You can also post this on social media. So I only shared it just on the and it says here, the web page for your 25 hours just viewed. So somebody clicked on it, which is me. And so now it shows hello from me. And if I hit the play button, it'll now start playing. So I don't know if you can hear my computer sound, but it is coming through, maybe not. But it's showing me talking about that product, which is just a cup of water. And then it says the word buy. So if I go ahead and click on the word buy, what it does is it actually goes out, and now I'm getting notification that somebody clicked the buy button. And what it does is it goes to that particular product. And what is nice is it allows your client to go ahead and read about it and go ahead and add it right away to the cart. So they can go ahead and add it to the cart, and they can go ahead and check out and or continue to go shopping. So it's a really easy way for you as a stylist to share information, to share products to your clients. Now I'm going to go back here to and I'm going to go ahead and click on home, and I'm just going to go back home. So if I click on my videos, it now shows the video that I just did. But that's how simple it is to go ahead and create a video and share it with clients. Now, when I click on this button right here that says track, this gives me some analytics. So I see here that, look, page view was 1, video view was 1, and the buy button was 1. So you can watch and see how analytics on different videos work. But if you just send it to one person, well, you're hoping just to get that one number on it. But if you're sharing it on social media or through other sources, or maybe you're multiple sharing it to a number of people, then that would be a different story. To reshare it again, all you do is click on the share button, and it will come up with a variety of ways that you can share it. Right here, the share button down here now, share, and now I can choose. Do I want to text it to somebody, Zoom it, Facebook it, Messenger it, WhatsApp it, a variety of different ways that I can share that particular video. Again, I'm going to click the home button, so I'm back home. So that's how quick and easy and simple it is to go ahead. First off, number 1, download the Impact video to your phone. Number 2, to go ahead and do a video and to send it out. So let me go back to the screen here. I want to show you the next screen here, which is just reconfirming how you go ahead and install it on your phone. So if you pause the video and went through this, great. If not, remember, you go to your app or your Google Play Store. You're going to search Impact Space Video. You're going to find this little icon here. Once you download that, you're going to type in the company name, which is John Amico, no space. Once you do that, it's going to ask for your first and last name. Enter that, your email address. Perfect. Then go ahead and enter your phone number, and then enter your John Amico Client Connect nickname. Again, it's only the nickname. Once you do that, you'll verify it. You'll hit in the upper left close. You'll scroll it up, hit register, and you're all set to go. So to do a video, go ahead and click on Sell Products. You won't have any of my videos up yet. And then you go ahead and you choose from all the varieties of different videos that are available. So what I'd recommend for you to do is to go ahead and send a JA show and sell video, pick a product, record, share, and send to your educator. Who's your mentor in John Amico? Go ahead and send one to them. Otherwise, if you just want to practice with it, send it to your sister, send it to your spouse, send it to somebody that you know so they can look at it and watch it. But I think you'll find it really, really easy to do. Now, here's the other thing with the John Amico show and sell apps, and that is when you do these sorts of videos, you can always take a ring light and post the camera in the ring light, hit record, and you can do several of them, and you can even demonstrate on a mannequin or a consumer. So it's really nice to do those, and so this way your clients can see the actual product in action. I think that's good. Number 2 is you can do a show and sell video inside the salon when you're with the client. So for example, you have a client who wants that comeback shampoo, but for whatever reason, you're out of it right now. No problem. All you do is say, hi, Susan, you're with me right now. And this is the product that you need. And you stop recording and you send it to her. So it goes on her phone. She can actually check out while she's in the salon on her phone, and the product will be delivered to her home, or she can check out later. The other thing is, when you're not in the salon, there are times when clients need product. And they're like, help, I need this product and your salon's closed, or I'm away traveling. No problem. All you have to do is to send them a link to the product that they're looking for. So it might be that comeback shampoo. Do a quick, hey, Susan, this is the product that you need. This is what you called me about. And boom, you send it to her. And now she can just check out and it gets delivered right to her home. So really easy to find the products that that client needs and to send a video on it. So that is your John Amico show and sell video app. It's also good to develop clientele outside of the salon. So if you put together some really good videos, you might want to post those on social media, because your friends of friends and so on might see that video and purchase product through that. And I've seen it happen. So anyway, really good and a great thing to do. So that was your next piece of technology, your John Amico show and sell video app. Become a JA Star stylist. Stylist technology, amazing results. We're going to go through in the next part talking about your John Amico Clients for Life promotion subscription. So thanks for watching this, and please click on the next video in this series so that you're really up to date on how to use the John Amico technology.